This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group property video is presented by Randy Spiesman. Move in Colonial shows pride of ownership. Set beautifully on 1.4 acres, this 4-bedroom 2.5 bath stunner boasts modern kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinets and center island. Its open floor plan great room gives ample room for kitchen dining or cozying around the gas fireplace. For more formal dining, there is a dining room. The entire first floor has exquisite hardwood flooring from greatroom step out through the sliders to the expansive deck overlooking the large yard. Upstairs enter the primary bedroom suite through double French doors. Large walk-in closet and full bath with tub and separate shower. Across the hall is a laundry utility room. 3 other good-sized bedrooms and bath round out the second floor. There is an unfinished room off one bedroom which could be used for storage or could be finished. Off the kitchen to the garage is a mudroom and half bath. The basement is about 1,000 square feet of unfinished space, ideal for rec room or in-home gym. Home is located 17 minutes to the Poughkeepsie Bridge and the train station, or 15 minutes to New Paltz and the NYS Thruway. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Spiesman at 845-616-4638.